I got some good information for y'all today. I know the cities who are accepting Section 8 right now. The waiting list is up, and you guys can go and apply for Section 8 and try to get it.
Baby, don't check for me.
Well, hey, boss up babies. Have you guys bossed up today? If you haven't bossed up today, then what are you doing? We're the boss up babies around here. We get it in and we get it done. Yes, we do. Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. This is Mama Cutie Finance. I am a college professor, but here on YouTube, I help you boss up in your daily life by giving you side hustle ideas on how to make that extra money, honey, and also giving you updates on Section 8 or anything like stimulus or whatever else I can help you guys with. But anyways, guys, let's get on into this video. I got some good information for y'all today. I know the cities who are accepting Section 8 right now. The waiting list is up, and you guys can go and apply for Section 8 and try to get it. Yes, you can. So I want to apologize first for being late for this information because some of the deadlines are today. So whenever you get this video, please go to their website and apply. So the first city I'm going to tell you about who's accepting Section 8 vouchers right now is Sarasota. So let me read a little bit so you guys can have more information about how to get to the place where you need to apply. If you guys live in Sarasota, go ahead and get on this. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do. So the window to fill out the pre-application online program waiting list has opened. It opened April 1st. So like I said, I'm really late, and it closed April 18th, which I believe today is April 18th. I'm not even sure, but I think it is. So I do want to apologize. So the housing authority in Sarasota, the lottery system is randomly choosing 1,250 applicants, y'all. The first day they start accepting it is April 1st, and it closes April 18th. I think today is April 18th. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm late with this information, but I promise y'all I'm gonna be on top of it to get y'all these dates earlier than what I'm doing today. But they will be randomly, the housing authority will be randomly using the lottery system to choose 1,250 applicants. Guys, that is amazing news. It's amazing news to be able to get that information from the housing authority. So what else does it say? In Boss Up Babies, guess what it says? Housing authority officials expect to be able to issue vouchers right away between 50 to 100 families. The housing authority for Sarasota, they plan on giving at least 50 to 100 family vouchers immediately. But guys, so that's good for the first 50 to 100 people, but unfortunately for the rest of the 1,200 people that they're going to be giving the vouchers to, they said that the waiting list can be for several years before you can at least receive a voucher. But that's not to discourage y'all from applying. Still apply, because you never know. The waiting list could be bumped up. You can be bumped up on that waiting list, so still apply for your voucher. But the authority, voucher through the authority hopes to start working on at least 500 families in the next 6 months. So guys, what it says also is, although it might be a long waiting list for the rest of the people, the housing authority do plan to take care of at least 600 more people in the next 6 months. So 100 minus 600, so that's like 700 people out of 1,250 that they're going to take care of right away. Okay, bounce up babies. The next city who is accepting the Section 8 voucher, the Section 8 Housing Choice Voucher, is Kingston. It says the Kingston Housing Authority. So if you live in Kingston, guys, you better jump on it. The dates for Kingston is May the 2nd. And the offices that you guys can apply for in Kingston, North Carolina is 116 East Payton Avenue. You can also go to 601 North Queen Street. The next one is 901 East Bright Street. The next one is 800 East Washington Street. The other one is 300 East Washington Street. And the last two is 214 West Washington Street or 107 East Payton Avenue. So it says all the applications must be mailed and postmarked no later than Friday, May 20th. My boss up babies in Kingston, y'all do have time to go and get your applications in, but don't wait till the last minute. Y'all go ahead on and get on this. Get your applications in before the deadline, because it says it got to be postmarked on the whatever you mail your application in. It got to be postmarked no later than May the 20th. That is the closing day, and they don't be playing around with that. So applicants are reminded that no applications will be accepted at the Kingston Housing Authority. So y'all don't take y'all application up there to the Kingston Housing Authority, because they ain't taking them. You have to mail them in, but they will be accepted by U.S. postal mail. So like I said, you cannot take them in. Do not do that. You ain't gonna get on the program. So applications will be selected by the lottery system, as such as an order of receipt, no bearing whether the application was selected on the waiting list. The lottery will be held Wednesday, June 8th. So guys, on June 8th, that's the date that you're going to be able to know whether or not you got accepted to the lottery. Okay, so y'all check back June 8th. So let me give y'all those dates again. It's May 2nd is when it will open, and it's closing on May the 20th. So y'all got 20 days, but y'all go ahead and jump on it early. Let me give y'all the next city who's accepting vouchers. Okay, guys, for those of you who are in York, I do apologize for me getting this information out to y'all late, but Buffalo, New York, they are accepting applications. Applications open April 11th, and they will close on May the 6th. So y'all got time. Y'all got time, but don't procrastinate. Go ahead on. Whoever in Buffalo, New York, go ahead and fill out your application. The applications are going to be online, so y'all go online and get the application so y'all can fill it out. So what else did they say? They're going to be currently assisting 5,000 families. So that's a good thing, guys. They're going to be assisting 5,000 families. For Buffalo, they actually give y'all the current income limit for a single person household. If you're single and you live in Buffalo, New York, guys, you cannot make any more than $27,650 for a family of 8. Okay? So the voucher allows an annual income no more than $52,000. So y'all can't make any more than $52,000 a year to be able to qualify in the Buffalo, New York area. Okay? So it also says new income requirements are expected to be released by HUD. So the income requirements could go down, or they could increase, because of the pandemic. I'm assuming that they might go down. But okay, well, y'all go ahead on. Everybody who in Buffalo, New York, y'all go hit their website up. The website is RACB website. Y'all gonna hit that up. RACB website. Go. What's up, babies? I want to apologize. I didn't get Memphis out to y'all earlier because Memphis have not opened up their waiting list for Section 8 since 2017, and they had a 30. And they actually had a 24-hour waiting list that opened. And that's kind of sad because they haven't had a waiting list since 2017. They could at least gave people time to apply, but they only had 24 hours. And that thing opened at 8 o'clock on March the 25th, and it closed that afternoon. But yeah, so I hope if whoever lived in Memphis, I hope y'all got it. It was 10,000 slots available for Memphis. So let's see what else I got, y'all. This is a good news for Manhattan. If you not on Section 8, but you do have you can meet the income requirements for Manhattan. They have it to where if you make under $163,000 a year, you can qualify to stay in their $1,950 studio a month. And also, if you make under $193,000 a year, you can apply to stay in a $2,300 a month, 1-bedroom apartment. And applicants who earn under $224,000 a year, you can actually apply for the $2,679 a month 2-bedroom apartment. So that's good for people who in Manhattan. They've been wanting to stay in Manhattan Plaza because I heard that's really popular. So if you live in the Manhattan area, you making good money, but you don't want to be paying a lot of money for apartments and stuff like that, y'all go ahead and check out the Manhattan Plaza and get on up over there in them discount apartments because they look really nice from looking at them. Babies, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button, share this video with other people who are trying to get on Section 8. Until then, I want you guys to boss up and stay prayed up, baby.